Hello students, welcome back to your class of English, and today we'll discuss about one of the writing skills, that the letter to editor. Even though we have discussed about this letter, but today one more time we'll discuss about this letter in detail, as we know that this is one of the most important letter, the letter writing and the letter to editor. So let's see what are the reasons why do we write down the letter to editor. As we know that letter to editor is to be written for any social issue, for any concern that is related to the public. It may be any general issue, general affair. So as these days we know that there is a wide spread of COVID-19. So as a student, you can write down this letter to editor, describing about the situation and appealing the people to stay safe at home and to create awareness regarding this deadly virus. So today we'll discuss about this letter, the format and all that, and then we'll see that how to write down this letter to editor. So let's have a quick recapitulation of the format of the letter writing. First, as we know that there would be the sender's address. It will contain the house number, sector and city. Then one line space, there would be date, for example like 17 October 25 April 2020. Then one line space, there would be the receiver's address, for example the editor, the name of the newspaper and the city. If the name of the newspaper is given in the statement, then you will write down the same newspaper. Otherwise you can write down the name of the newspaper of your choice. And as we know that all these particulars will be written only at left hand side, and there should be a symmetry. This will be written along with the margin line of the page. And after that there would be the salutation. We simply write down sir or ma'am. And if we're not sure about the gender, always write sir. And then subject, that is most important. Always mention the problem in or the subject in 6 to 8 words. It should be clearly stated. It should be the precise one and the concise one. And after that there would be the body of the letter, and this would be divided into most probably into 3 paragraphs. The first would be the introductory paragraph, in which you have to introduce yourself and the problem briefly, that what is the purpose of writing down that letter. And then would be the main content, that the main purpose in detail, the cause and the effects of the problem, the reasons, the consequences you will describe in detail. And then would be the concluding paragraph, the suggestions, the remedies about the problem or to take necessary steps, the urge, the request to take necessary steps to remove the grievances. And there would be the complimentary clause. In complimentary clause you will write down thank you or thanking you, then yours faithfully or truly. As you see that if written here capital F or T, that is incorrect. The correct would be the small f and small t. Then the signature of the writer, the person who is writing down the letter, and then the name. Please note that when not mentioned in the question, name is not mentioned in the question, then always write down XYZ or ABC, etc. Don't write your own name. So as we know that there would be the various reasons to write down the letters to editor. For example, have a look on the sample question, that your Varsha Varun write a letter to the editor of the newspaper complaining about the irregular and inadequate bus service in your area. As we know that today's activity is to write down the letter to editor about COVID-19, that awakening the people and making them aware regarding COVID-19. So let's see how to write down this letter. What will be the key points? What is to be included in the body of the letter? So let's make a statement first. You are Varsha Varun. So write a letter to the editor of a newspaper, making people aware about the precautions of the COVID-19. So let's see how to write down this letter. So here let's talk about the letter to editor. as an AFGE member who is proud to be a federal employee working on behalf of the American people to provide essential services, I am concerned by the lack of support federal workers are receiving from the administration in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The lack of available personal protective equipment such as masks, gloves, and hand sanitizer is appalling. While I and hundreds of thousands of fellow AFGE members are more than willing to personally sacrifice during this crisis to provide essential services to the American people, I should not have to risk my health and my family's health in order to do so. So the federal government should be setting standard for all American business and serving as a model employer. However, the lack of communication and haphazard response to the epidemic from my agency tells that we are far from modeling good crisis. However, the lack of communication and haphazard response to this epidemic from my agency tells me we are far from modeling good crisis management. There has been no clear national guidance to employees, and politics seem to vary depending on which manager you ask. So the fact that management refuses to communicate with the union, the only entity that serves as a voice for employees, is extremely troubling. It sends a clear message that the opinions and concerns of frontline federal employees like me who are risking our health to serve our country don't matter. While the admission claims to have things under control, we are seeing a very different story on the ground. Since the very beginning, I have nothing but unorganized chaos with employees. So my dear students, you have written this letter to editor template where the condition of the employers in USA has been depicted. So this is a letter that has been written by the member of the AFGE. So now, as today I have given you the task to write down a letter to editor that creating awareness among people regarding the spread of coronavirus and what are the steps that to be taken to stop this spread. So my dear students, I hope that you would be able to write down the letter to editor as per the given format.